Welcome back, everybody.
Hey guys!
Welcome back.
Welcome back to another video. It's so nice to be recording with you guys again. Hi. So today we're doing a story time / how we met video. We hope you like it. We realize that we really haven't done the how we met video since we've been recording, and we decided it's time to tell the story how we met.
I think we had a question that we never answered too in one of the videos.
Yeah.
What was this question?
How we met. So if you're still here and you're still watching us, we're finally doing how we met video. We hope you enjoy. And
Let's get into it.
yeah, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can get all our videos when they're released. Alright, let's get into it.
Jerk one more time.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
So how we met. Once upon a time, there was a little shy girl named Trish. No, I'm lying. That's a lie. There was a little shy boy named Tyler and a very brave girl named Trish. What? Am I lying? No. Am I lying?
Pretty accurate.
It's pretty accurate. He was pretty shy when we met, like super shy.
Not that shy.
You were pretty shy.
I wasn't.
He did not talk a lot. Let's say that then. He did not talk a lot. Probably wasn't shy, but he did not talk for nothing. So it was work and travel. And if you go to university or I don't know, most people. I lived in Jamaica, and I went to University of the West Indies, and I participated in the work and travel program. On my second year doing it, I came to Pennsylvania because Natasha, which is a friend of mine, she told me about this place that she went to work, and I'm like, okay, let me go there, you know, new experience, I have nothing to lose, I just need to make money, right? So anyways, I came here, and typically when you go on work and travel, everyone is like, oh my god, you're from Jamaica, I love Jamaica, I love the food, I love either the music, something, they'll love something about Jamaica, or they visited Jamaica. I never saw him until like 2 days or 3 days after, and out of everyone in the stand that I was working with, he was literally the only person that came to the stand and did not even say hi to me, like not even a hi.
I'd probably say hi.
You did not say hi. No, he didn't. He hasn't talked to me. Like a day has passed, a 2 day has passed, and I took it.
Just there to work.
Wow, he was pretty much for real. I kind of took it personal though, because I'm like, what? This guy is disrespectful. Nothing, like nothing at all. I really never liked him. I was like, he's the one that I'm not going to like. He was a manager there too, so I'm like, oh my god, this is the manager that we're not going to like each other. So anyways, I went to Natasha and I complained to her that, hey Natasha.
You complained about me?
Yeah.
Wow.
I complained. I was like, he's not talking to anyone, and he acts like whatever. As Jamaican, you're not talking to us. We're like, he acts like he's better than everyone. So I was like, he's not talking to me, whatever, complaining. And she was like, oh, he's just quiet. That's how he is. You should just give him a chance. So I'm like, all right, let me be the bigger person then. The next day, he put me on cashier duty because I guess he thought that I knew money.
And I probably spoke to you at that time.
Yeah, you were like, hey, you're doing cashier today. No, for real.
I don't
That's
talk like that. Alright. Go on with the story.
So he put me on cashier duty, and then during the middle of the day, like there was like a down period, and I just called him over. I was like, hey, how are you? And we just kind of like build on conversation from there on. So that's how we talk. But when we started talking, it wasn't because we were it was love at first sight. No, we were just friends. I initially didn't even like him, and he was just there in his corner, not even paying me any mind. And we just started out as friends. Then we just kind of, he talked to me a lot. Like, our minds, how we did things, we were just like compatible at that moment with how we share things, how we did things, and how we wanted things to be. So we just like kind of bonded with each other, and yeah, we kind of just like became friends. He invited me to do stuff that he likes, like fishing. I went because I've never fished before, so I was like, ooh, new experience. And I'm very adventurous. If you know me or you know anyone that know me, and they'll tell you that I'm very adventurous. We're going up to a mountain, I'm there. We're going fishing, I'm coming. We're going into a tunnel, I'll be there. So yeah, he wanted to take me fishing one day, and I think, was that our first time we chilled? I think that's our first time we chilled.
Outside of work.
Outside of work, yeah. Was fishing. And then I caught the fish though, he did not. So yeah.
Let's not get into that.
Hmm?
I said let's not get into that. We don't need to tell everybody that.
Yeah, I was the fisher girl that day. But anyways, he enjoyed hanging with me, and then he invited me out for a movie, and I picked the movie. That was our first movie, and I picked it, and
how was that movie?
Let's just say from there on out, I've never picked a movie, so it was not a good one.
It was rough. It was rough to get through.
Rough. And then I think we went on another movie date, and
I picked that one.
he picked that one, and it was pretty good. And other from that, he kind of like drive me to work sometimes, or drive me home sometimes. And throughout that entire process, we were just like chilling. We were friends, nothing serious, because we were all for the you can't date people in the workplace kind of people. We weren't interested in each other that way. It came to the end of the summer. He was like, oh, let me bring you to Baltimore, and he brought me to Baltimore, and we kind of just like chilled there too. So that was fun. I am happy for that experience. It was a good experience, so thank you for that. And he brought me to the airport, which I think that's the time you crashed.
Yes.
And we do have a story time about that, so yeah. There's a story time on that time when we crashed. And I guess that's the first time I met his parents too. Unintentionally, but at that moment we were still friends. If you're watching this, mommy and daddy, we were still friends. Anyways, I went back to Jamaica, and we still text and talk a lot. And he came to Jamaica that same year to visit. It wasn't the other year, to visit. And I was like texting Natasha, I'm like, oh my god, he's coming to Jamaica. Is he like taking this serious? Like, what is going on? Why is he coming? Etc. etc. And then that's when, after he visited, that's when we kind of got a little more serious.
Yeah, came back to Hershey that summer again.
Yeah, and I kind of spent the entire time at his home and got to know his family, got to know him a little bit more, and yeah.
Yep. We met at work.
At the famous Hershey Park, the sweetest place on earth. So if you're in PA, you can look up Hershey Park. It is the sweetest place on earth.
Yeah. Pretty cool place.
Yeah,
There's
it's a
good
pretty
food.
And it, like, thinking about it, it's a pretty cool place to meet someone. Like, you have that story of meeting the love of your life at the sweetest place on earth.
Yeah. Kind of cliche, but
yeah. It's like cheesy, but it works. Yeah. It works.
Like, where you guys meet? Oh,
the sweetest place on earth.
Wow.
It works. But yeah, that's how we met. Basically at work at Hershey, and we just kind of kick it off. Not in the first, like we kick it off as friends, but then we just build on that friendship.
Mm-hmm. And you were at a stand, another stand to start out when the first year. You weren't even supposed to be at my stand, and then they all of a sudden moved you over there because I guess we needed help, and
yeah.
We might not even have ever met.
Yeah, but it's destiny. So that's the story of how we met. It goes on and on and on, because basically that's like the first year and we were literally just started dating, but it goes on and on and on. But we kind of sealed the deal when he kind of came to Jamaica, and not sealed the deal, we kind of knew it was getting more serious than just a friendship.
Something more there,
yeah. When he came to Jamaica, and we were like, oh, we actually like being around each other. So
sometimes.
yes, no, not so much. But and it's nice because we've been talking for like 3 years now, married now, and yes, we're still young and we are still figuring out stuff, but because we have this freshness in our relationship, so we're still getting to know each other, which can be very down and up. It just depends on the day, but it's fun in some way because we're still getting to know each other, we're learning about each other, so it's never boring, you know what I mean? So I kind of like this new thing, like, you know what I mean? Like, I like that it's just something new every day, you know? So yeah, will we get tired of each other? At this moment, I doubt it, because as I say, we're still learning, and we have so much, we have so much more learning to do, because so much has happened in 3 years, and you guys will know about it eventually, and you know, it will be there. So yeah. But that's how we met.
Yep.
We hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We absolutely want to thank you guys for being here, and we are officially at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you for doing that for us. We appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yep.
Felties out.